Hey guys, today we're gonna learn Walk the Moon song, Shut Up and Dance. So this song has a ton of delay on it and it's a lot of fun to play. If you like my videos, guys, click subscribe above and leave any future requests in the comments below. Also, in the description, check out some classes I have coming up, and there are some newsletters you can sign up for. There are some Amazon affiliate links, like if you want to know the pedal I'm using, the settings that I'm using to get the delay that I have for this song, the effects, the sound for this song, then just check out the description below. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to start with this one. There are a lot of ways that you can play this. I haven't ever looked up exactly how they play it. This is just the way I like to play it. But because of that, you're going to be way up on the fretboard. So we are all the way up on the 13th fret. And this position, I have my first finger barred across the 13th fret, not all the way across. The main strings we want to be pressing down are the D string, the G string, and the B string. So get those down. Then we're going to add our second finger to the 14th fret, then our third finger to the 15th fret. So when we do that, we're just going to play mainly these three strings, or actually only these three strings. So that gets us. Alright, and after that, you're basically going to keep these fingers in the same place the whole time. Alright, so we're only going to move this finger, these two fingers, and then when we lift this one up, then this one will be playing. So we've got, and then we're going to put our pinky down on the 16th. So then you go back to here, then to the 13th. And so the picking pattern, you're going to go down, 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 down. So down, 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 down. All right, let's try that really, really slow. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, let me take the delay off so you guys can hear it a little bit better. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. And once you get used to the finger moving, the pick motion is really the important part because that's the most varied thing in this. All right, so let's do it up to speed. So the right speed without delay. I'll do it one time without delay and then one time with the delay. So 1, 2, ready, and... one more time. Alright, let's do that with delay. Alright, so I have 2 delays on right now, and if you are interested more, like I said, check out the description. It'll have a little bit of that info for you. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and... Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe above and check out my descriptions below for links to other materials that I have, some other courses that I have coming up, and I have a live stream every Friday if you and your kids would like to watch that with me. I'm going to sing a lot of kids songs, do a lot of rhythm instruments with them, and it's a fun time. It lasts about 30 minutes and it's 11 o'clock on Fridays. See you next time.